Apana ere ane namba muponere zisore gondo. Apana ere ane namba muponere zisore gondo. Pane masele bagabuda offside nezuro. Pane masele bagabuda offside nezuro. Eti noi now. Feshona kwete chindau. Zichiverengwa naye wenyu skimba nofumura noitama.
Team yangu ndi Mukadzi katadzoka zvakare zviri kupisa na skimbo aiwa zviri kupisa tokupa team yangu pasata pina pa zviri kupisa vanhasi ngoma ya button subscribe but still kana wakabaya kujara ka ngoma ndio tukuzifambira nyaya dzacho nditi
the longest, right? But now the only difference is I'm older and actually realize this is wrong and this is right. And I was gonna keep quiet, but what's pissing me off right now is people are assuming she's going out nanning, yeah, Akahurirwa, because she was caught with whoever, she had chats, blah, blah, blah. And that's not even the case. Okay, I'll send you a couple of voice notes. That's just an example of when he has his issues out there. Right, out there, then all the who take out my frustrations. Out on me. So yeah, that's just an example. One of many, many examples. So it's better to walk. Like, I don't even have a reason to lie. Or anything. I don't. It's been going on for the longest. There's a lot of proof, and yeah. Man, I didn't even want to bring this to social media, but sure, people that some I haven't even met who's being called a hoe and just a lot of things. Like, I think it's better if I just clear my name. And I guess, yeah, that's just it, because people don't even know what's going on. Even that whole South Africa trip, the previous one, when I was at the house, Achitaura say, Kuti, yeah, you know who? Ndiye iPhone, she's responsible trip SA. And yeah, she was in SA. I think she was in SA, and even when she went back to the UK, she was actually owing him money. I don't know what that's about, but I know everything. But when you know, having a kid for the longest. I'm just happy I've moved on and I have peace. But I just really wanted to clear my name because it's affecting so much. And being called names. Because there's no way I was going to give him my phone. And you know what I need to do my phone. And then it doesn't replace. And I just got on my phone, so yeah. I won't even, because I spend so much on my phone. Why should I give him my phone just to smash it? For what? But it wasn't about anything. It's just him being frustrated, alcohol and whatnot. I figured the same thing, but the only difference was there were people this time, and this is the last time this is gonna happen. So, but I'm okay. I just really wanted to clear my name because I'm not going to work once now. So yeah, I'm going to send my voice notes. What happened? I think it was on my birthday. My voice notes and also the whole H metro thing, that wasn't even necessary because when I did move, I think I texted 4 days later or so. Yeah, 4 or 5 days later. That's when the half of Shungu. I left a set of my couches, I left another TV, a stove. I got to see them. Did a text, I got to do, oh, she, Bob, if you need anything else for you and the baby, you tell me. And I got to so fake up. And I'm surprised he's taking stuff out there and just causing unnecessary drama. I just don't put necessary say I don't love him, he doesn't love me. So I don't understand what that's about.
Apana ere ane namba muponere zisore gondo. Apana ere ane namba muponere zisore gondo. Pane masele bagabuda offside nezuro. Pane masele bagabuda offside nezuro. Eti noi now. Feshona kwete chindau. Zichiverengwa naye wenyu skimba nofumura noitama.